And the reason why they call it a bomb cyclone is because it rapidly intensified, dropping more than 24 millibars in pressure within 24 hours. So once you get that, then the rest of the time that's going to exist, you can call it a bomb cyclone, and that's what they're doing. We're going to show you that coming up. Just wanted to show you what's going on now. 66 now. Temperatures really are going up pretty fast. Over the last 2 hours, really 3 hours, we've seen temperatures up about 20 degrees. Winds are now out of the south at 10 miles an hour. That's where they'll be, 10 to 15 for the rest of the day. And the barometer, 29/94 of an inch. The dew point is now racing up to around 36. It was closer to the 20-degree mark first thing this morning. We do have some places showing 70 already. Latrobe, Washington, and Wheeling, and pretty much anyone that's south of I-80. You have a good solid chance to hit the 80-degree, or I should say 70-degree mark for your high temperature today. We're going to forecast 72 in Pittsburgh for the expected high that we're looking at, and the winds out of the southeast 5 to 15. We could blow right by that 72 mark. I will admit that was a little bit on the conservative side. Some data out there showing 75 and even 76 for potential high temperatures today. So overall, yes, we warm up today, but don't get used to it. Temperatures are going to start to slide as we're heading into Friday. Officially, the high should be at around 64, but that's the temperature that we'll hit at midnight tonight. Most of the day on Friday right at 50 degrees, 46 your Saturday high, but similar to Friday, that high of 46 will likely be reached right at midnight. Rest of the day should be into the upper 30s, right around 40 degrees for the afternoon. We'll be down to around 30 degrees, 32 or so for the morning when the St. Patrick's Day parade is getting going. Do have a couple of spot rain showers out there at this point, right along I-80. We knew that there was going to be that possibility that we're going to see some rain out that way early on. Here's the deal. Here's what's going on. Here's the center of that bomb cyclone that everyone's talking about. Wild weather over the next 48 hours for us as this system starts to slide by. Massive temperature drop. We also are expecting some really strong winds. Look at the amount of warnings, advisories, and watches that are now out because of the system, including a tornado watch that is now out for portions of both Indiana and Ohio. Doesn't look like we're going to see a tornado watch here. Wouldn't be surprised if we do see a thunderstorm watch as some strong winds curl in. It does look like as this system slides through here that the winds will calm down just a little bit and should be topping out gusts at least at around 50 to 55 miles an hour. That would be just shy of severe thunderstorm criteria. So there it is, right at 1 o'clock or so. Notice the temperature right into the mid-60s. That sweeps through and our temperatures start to dive by 6 o'clock on Friday. We're looking at temperatures all the way down to 51. That's where we should stay until another blast of cold air comes in late Friday, bringing us some drizzle and the possibility on the backside of some snow. The biggest concern at this point is going to be strong winds. You can see those winds right there. We could be looking at wind gusts topping 50 miles an hour at times over the course of the overnight hours. Quick look at the St. Patrick's Day forecast for Saturday. You can see it right there. I do think temperatures mid to low 30s as that kicks off. 10 o'clock, by the way, downtown Pittsburgh if you're heading there. There's your 7-day outlook. 72 today, cooler weather for the rest of the 7-day, including 2 days. We're forecasting temperatures not even getting to 40.
My kids were so excited to wear shorts today.
Yeah.
I guess that's short-lived, huh?
Yeah, it'll be short-lived. Soon enough, though. We have another week of cold weather, and then hopefully more spring-like weather will work its way in.
Thanks, Ron.
All right.